Love is the gift of the world that makes life beautiful. After falling in love, a different feeling comes. At that time, forgetting everything, we keep thinking only about that person. I am going to tell you one such heart touching love story. Once, a boy and a girl became friends on Facebook. The special thing about this friendship was that the girl had seen the boy, but the boy had never seen the girl. Both lived in the same city, but never met. There was only friendship online. Slowly, both of them fell in love with each other, as it happens in the friendship of boy and girl. Both loved each other very much. They used to be chatting between the two for hours every day. Then both of them thought that now this love should also be given some form, so both of them decided to meet. Both of them decided that they will meet tomorrow at 4 p.m. in the park. The boy asked, "How will I identify you?" So the girl said that I will come in a pink dress and I will have a white rose in my hand. The boy went to meet the girl very happily in the evening of the next day. When he reached there, he was shocked by what he saw. There stood a fat, ugly woman in a pink dress with a white rose in her hand. He was also older than that boy, but the boy remembered all those loving things and went ahead and went to that girl and said, "I love you. And where am I, your friend, whom you have come here to meet?" Hearing this, the girl smiled and said that I am not the one whom you have come to meet. Your girlfriend is standing there under the tree. Then the woman called the girl with her voice. The girl asked as soon as she came that if you loved her so much, the person you wanted was this girl, then what would you do? To this, the girl replied that this boy has shown that he really loves you. Otherwise, it could have gone back from here seeing me because I didn't even recognize him. The boy also said that I have loved you, have decorated you in your dreams. I have felt your sweet words every moment. Its fragrance is decorated in my heart, and there was no picture of you in all this. All I know is that I love you. Now, whatever you want. Hearing this, the girl hugged the boy. Tears were flowing from her eyes because she had found this true loving partner. Love is blind. Friends, love is blind. It does not require a clean person, but a clean heart.